What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. As you can see, we're back at Jake's house. For this video, we're going to be working on these 2012 Air Jordan Bred 4s that are in beat cut condition. We're going to go in using Reshoevn8r's Stiff Brush Advanced Sneaker Laundry System to get the shoe looking right. Once that's all done, we're going to go in, remove the elving off the soles, repaint the midsoles, reshape the toe boxes, fix the scuffs on the heel tabs and the wings, and any other touch-ups needed on the shoe. Without further ado guys, let's get it started. Before we get started guys, I want to give a quick shout out to our viewers, subscribers, and audience. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the shoes. First thing we're going to do is put the shoe to the side since we're only going to be working on the right shoe. Usually I do the cleaning first, but today we're going to get started with the deoxidation process. We'll be using Salonika 40 and Saran Wrap and the power of the sun to do so. Good to go guys, let's go ahead and put the shoe outside. Put each side for about an hour outside in the sun, come back and move on to the next step. Alright guys, we are back. We got the yellowing completely out the rubber. The gray is back to gray. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. The next step we're going to do is clean this shoe up inside and out using our 3-brush Advanced Sneaker Laundry System from Reshoevn8r. You can find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Now, let's go ahead and remove our shoelaces, take out our insole so we can get started with this cleaning. Good to go with that. We got the laces out, our insole. Let's go ahead and grab our shoe tree, adjust it to the size, and pop it in. Two reasons why we use a shoe tree. One is so we can apply pressure on the toe box using a brush. And the second reason is when the shoe is fully dried, it'll help remove the creasing and reshape the toe box. So we got that out the way. Let's go ahead and grab our bowl of water, our 4-ounce bottle of solution, and squirt 2 squirts. Now the first brush we're going to be using is our soft bristle brush. We'll use this brush to start soaking up the uppers and hit the insides of the shoe. Uppers are looking great guys. Let's go ahead and take out our shoe tree so we can take care of the insides using the soft bristle brush. Okay guys, insides are taken care of, outsides look great. Let's go ahead and put our shoe to the side real quick. Grab our insole while we still have the soft bristle brush so we can give it a quick scrubbing. Okay, good to go with that. Let's go ahead and move on to the next brush. For this shoe, I don't see a need for our all-purpose brush. We're just gonna go ahead and skip to our stiff bristle so we can clean up these dirty soles. Now that's pretty impressive. Check out that before and after. Before, after, before, after. After, before, before, after. Okay guys, soles look good, uppers look great, inside's been hit, insoles as well. Last step we gotta do is grab our shoelaces, put them in our leftover solution so you can break down the dirt real quick. Nothing crazy, the shoelace is black, the washing machine will take care of the rest. Now let's put it inside the shoe, grab our sneaker laundry bag, put them inside so we can put them in the washing machine. To the washer. All right, we made it to Jake's laundry room. Let's go ahead and put the shoe inside our washing machine. As always, we're gonna be using cold water with the regular cycle. And of course, we gotta pour 1 full ounce of our sneaker laundry detergent.
pour.
Alright guys, we are back. The shoe turned out amazing after putting them in the washing machine. The shoe is fully clean inside and out and disinfected. That is thanks to our 3-brush advanced sneaker laundry system. Now let's keep it moving with this restoration and move on to some prep work. What we gotta do next is tape off the uppers so we can strip the midsoles using the deoxidation spray and scour pads. Looking good, guys. We got the paint completely off these midsoles thanks to the deoxidation spray. We also use rubbing alcohol to remove the residue off these midsoles. Now, these midsoles are overall in good condition, but there are a couple of rough areas in certain spots that's due to the cheap quality midsoles on these shoes. What we're gonna do, using some 800 grit sandpaper and 2000 grit sandpaper, is smooth down those areas before we can start painting. Midsoles are fully prepped, guys. We got the paint completely off. We did the sandpaper method and got these midsoles as smooth as possible. Now we're ready to go. Before we can start painting, we gotta tape off the uppers and soles this time. All taped up, let's go ahead and lay down our white paint using an angular brush. White is beautifully laid down, it's super smooth, guys, it's glowing again. Now what we gotta do is tape it off so we can lay down the black paint. Alright guys, we got the midsole repaint completely finished, good to go, straight lines all around, no paint where there should be. Last step we gotta do is go outside and spray some krylon matte finish to protect this paint job. Let's go. Almost done with this restoration, guys. We got a couple more steps ahead of us. The next step we're gonna do is remove all the scuffs on the wings and the heel tab. What we're gonna do first is wipe it down using some acetone and cotton balls. Then we're gonna tape it off, go outside and spray with some krylon matte finish. Last step we gotta take care of, guys, is the sock liners. The sock liners are covered in little lint balls. We're gonna use a lint shaver to remove all of it. You can find one of these at Walmart for about $7. It comes in handy. Alright YouTube, that is gonna wrap it up on this full restoration on these Air Jordan Bred 4s from 2012. Let's go ahead and break down exactly what I did to make this restoration possible. The first step I did, guys, was remove the elving off the soles using salonika 40 and the Arizona Sun. For the midsoles, we stripped them using deoxidation spray and sanded them down to get them as smooth as possible before the paint job. After that, we took care of all the scuffs and scratches all over the wings and heel tab using the krylon matte finish. And of course, we gave the shoe a good proper deep clean inside and out, got rid of all the dirt and grime using our 3-brush advanced sneaker laundry system and our detergent. You can find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. This is Vick Almighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next Monday.